Life New is a light so we could brighten up the area. It's USB hookup to the desk and adjustable. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside. Check online for further detail about the make and model, different sizes they make. These got many different modes. Model DL 001, 002, 003, different colors. The instruction guide, very easy to follow. And the light packaged and protected. This is what the light strip looks like. It's lightweight, very ergonomic, and nice in design. This has a 300-degree swivel, 10 color temperature, and 10 modes. We're going to show you how simple it is to set up by adjusting the bottom, unscrewing, placing it to the side, and tightening down. If we wanted to permanent mount, we have the holes for it. We have about 6 feet of cable that we simply plug into an outlet. Supply your own brick outlet of 5 volts. We have a thumb bolt that can be tightened and loosened. We need to tilt back, lift up, adjust our light to the angles we want. In this demonstration, what we're going to show you is the red light, the blue light, and the red and blue light of the mode. We have an on and off. We have a Kelvin switch, which is in M, and we have a brightness switch as well, blue and red. When we hit the red for on by a press of the button, you can see the blue light. We're at 7,000 Kelvin all the way down to 2,700 Kelvin. It's in red. We can slide the control down. You can see the Kelvin going to warm. So we want to change the brightness. We go from the red to the blue. We're 100% bright, and then we slide the brightness bar down. We're 10% brightness. So we could keep it low or high, and we could change the Kelvin in the low fashion and change back and forth. That is the difference of the unit. The unit's adjustable. You can bring the light all the way down, so you can read what's on the table. If that's not far enough, you could bring it all the way down, but this will be on an angle. You're able to tilt it to the side so it can light up your face. If you want to raise it up, you can do so and go all the way across. You can loosen up the bracket. You can turn it around. And then you're able to go down and across as far as you want. These are the controls, as you can see on top, by adjusting the brightness level and the Kelvin. And the on and off. This is a space-saving LED desk lamp. It's adjustable. It comes in a number of sizes and colors. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for to brighten up your desk and work area. Thank you very much for viewing. If you need a light foldable and portable to be taken anywhere you like, they are very easy to fold. And I hope you again enjoy your product. And thank you very much for viewing.